Hi, we're Jack and Heather.
We're busy professionals who wanted to escape the hustle and bustle of city life, so we bought a travel trailer.
Since we both have regular 9-to-5 jobs, we're more like weekend warriors, spending the weekends camping and exploring with our fur kids, Spaz, Doodle, and Marley.
We're both native Texans, so we started our adventures close to home with state and local parks and some small towns we've always wanted to visit.
Click on the subscribe button so you can join us on our weekend adventures as we explore the Lone Star State. So just going to do a quick walkthrough of our site, our campsite here at Bastrop State Park. We are in site number 9. I will say it was pretty level front to back, but side to side we did have to put a couple of blocks underneath one side of the camper. So, but overall, really nice site. Not a lot of shade on the site itself, but you know, there's a beautiful view here. As you can see, we've got the dogs all set up, and not a significant breeze out, so nice day for the awning to be out. And got a patio right here with a picnic table, nice concrete walkway. I don't think this is an ADA site. I'll have to double check. A lot of the other sites do not have a concrete pad under their picnic table. It's just on the grass. But it also could be just because of this site with having this little retaining wall here for this site as well. Do have a grill and a fire pit and a light slash trash hanger. Plenty of length here for us. We're 29 foot. I think we're like 31. But yeah, it's a nice site. We've been very happy with it so far. We do have a few trees on the driver's side, so on the back side of your camper, but they just don't give a whole lot of shade to the actual camper itself. So but yeah, we've enjoyed it. It's been a nice site, and highly recommend it. As you can see, we've got some other sites. So this is site number 10 right behind us, and then there's a loop back here that goes around to make your U-turn come back around. So this would be site number 11 here, and then you've got 12, and so on and so forth. There is a road that goes to another campsite area. I don't know if you can see through those trees over there, but you can see some trailers set up over there as well. So yeah, if you have any questions, put them in the comments and I'll try to answer them as best as I can. Coming back around to the puppers. Hi puppers. They are very happy to be out camping. So I wanted to show you a different site. This is site number 14. It's a little bit of an angle, sloping up, as you can see. The other thing is, it's not as well mowed. And that could just be because we've gotten some rain here recently and there's been a little bit extra growth, but it also has a concrete table and benches. Then as you can see, there's the grill and a fire pit, fire ring back there with a grate. Beautiful privacy and beautiful scenery, but it is a little bit different than ours. And then of course you've got your centrally located pool with water and sewer right here as well. Again, not a whole lot of shade, but still beautiful site, just a little bit more sloped, and doesn't have the concrete pad that ours has. We're here at the Scenic Overlook on our way to Bastrop State Park. There's a park road that goes in between the two parks and stays inside of the park boundaries. And so we're here at the Scenic Overlook, which is really beautiful, but it's also a great place to see some of the effects of the fire that they had a few years ago. As you can see, there's some trees like this one right here, and then there's a few out here. Come over here, trees that were burned. But it's great to see that the new growth that's coming back. I know we've seen a lot of like stumps like this where they've come through and cut down some trees that were burned that could have been dangerous. So it's really good to see the growth that's coming back and to see it green again. We drove through here a few years ago right after the fire had come through, and it was pretty bleak looking. But it's nice to come back and see the green coming back and the growth coming back. And you know, it'll take a lot of years for the trees to get back to, you know, the thickness and the height that they once were, but it's nice to see the vegetation coming back. So this is a cool thing I haven't seen at some of the other parks. It's a dishwashing station. That's pretty nifty, pretty handy. The other thing here at the bathhouse that they have is a water bottle refilling station. That's pretty nifty too that I haven't seen anywhere else. And it's right here. It's the Piney Hill bathroom and bathhouse right next to the park. Playground here in between the building. You got the men on one side, women's on the other. So if you're interested in tent camping, I wanted to show you some of these tent sites. They're really kind of nice. So you've got your parking spot over here. This one happens to be, there's another spot here. This one happens to be right next to the playground. Pardon the high-pitched swing set noise. And then you've got your bathhouse right there. So you've got one site that's right here. And then, so this is a really nice site. You've got your picnic table, your water hookups right here. And then nice pad for your tent. I mean, each site has this really nice tent pad. Come over here. Here's another site down here. Let's see. Don't see a number. Oh, the number's right here. This one in particular is number 28. And then over here you see 29. I'm going to assume this is an ADA accessible one since it's got the concrete sidewalk over to the tent site. This one is not. You've got a nice little pad here. It's pretty level. Yeah, really, there's a little blizzard running away. So you got your nice pad here. You got your grill, your fire pit, fire ring over there, your table. Then there's another site off over there. So they're nice and spread out. I'd say except for the ADA ones that are up here, they're all concrete. This the whole loop of tent sites that are right here together. So you can see some over there off in the distance. I'm not gonna get too close over there, but you can see there's some additional sites. If you are looking for activities for your kids, the Bastrop State Park has a nice pool here. I don't know if I can zoom in on it there, but looks like they're taking a break. They've got lifeguards and everything out here. So the park has some really cute cabins available. There's this group dining hall and barracks, and then you can see some of the cabins back over here. I think most of them have people in them, so I don't want to get too intrusive. But if you don't have your own trailer or your own tent, there is plenty of ways you can still camp here with these cabins. And I believe Viewshire down the street also has some cabins available, and it's nice and very close to the pool, to the playground, and to the bathhouse too.